Good morning, students. Today we are going to summarize the lesson Golu grows a nose. Okay. So in this lesson we have learned that the most important thing that forest plays an important role in the lives of animals and we people. There is an association and a cooperation among trees and animals, because the absence of one will spoil the existence of other. Okay, एक से दूसरे की अस्तित्व है. This is a formula of coexistence. Okay, this is the first thing that we have learned. Then the animals have their own rule, their own administration. Here in this lesson we have learnt that Golu is a baby elephant, a cute baby elephant. At that time the animals of these elephants did not have a long trunk. They had a bulgy nose, as we have learnt. Then as other baby creatures, he was quite an inquisitive animal. He wanted to know funny things about the animals. Okay, animals के बारे में funny चीज़ें उसको बड़ी पसंद थी. Okay, then like why don't you ever fly like other birds? किसको पूछा उसने? ऑस्ट्रिच से. अब ऑस्ट्रिच तो उड़ ही नहीं सकती, फिर भी उसको पूछा उसने why don't you fly like other birds? फिर he asked giraffe that why was his skin so spotty? कि उसकी skin इतनी spotty क्यों है? So even baboon, he asked baboon that why his eyes were so red. Why did melons taste like melons? He was full of funny questions and therefore he did not get any answer. He asked even this hippopotamus and baboon had no answers to his questions. So then he made a minna bird and asked her, what did a crocodile have for his dinner? She said, go to the river yourself and find it out yourself. Okay? Then he met a python on the way. He uncoiled him and asked him, what did this crocodile have for his dinner? And then he reached to the river. The python followed him quietly. Then the crocodile was lying in the river water like a log of wood, लकड़ी के एक गट्ठे की तरह पड़ा हुआ था. और he called him near to him. This crocodile called this baby elephant near to him and he said that I will reply this into your ears. मैं धीरे से तुम्हारे कान में ही जवाब दूंगा. The Golu reached, this baby elephant reached near him and wanted to know. But suddenly the crocodile grabbed the nose, bulgy nose of Golu and it started paining, aching. But the python reached there on time. He advised Golu to stretch himself, to pull himself back and back. And he also coiled himself on his stomach. He asked him to pull harder and harder. And in this way, his nose stretched out. At the same time, crocodile was also pulling him into river water. His nose, bulgy nose, got stretched and it became a trunk now, as we see. So Python advised him that no need to worry, there were benefits. There were benefits of his long trunk too, and those benefits were, first of all, he could kill a fly that would sit on his back. Then another advantage, second advantage was that he could pluck a large bundle of grass and could put it into his mouth himself. That was the advantage number second. And the third advantage was that if he felt heat, if it was hot and if he was feeling uncomfortable, he could scoop up some mud on his body himself with the help of his trunk. Okay, so Python was very helpful in bringing up, in making up his mind, in making the mind of Golu, and therefore we see the present trunk of Golu just because of the stretching and pulling by crocodile and Golu himself. And in this way we can see the present form of the elephants what we see today.